up to me. Gives a spear-by-spear account of the Peloponnesian War. She's right beside me. Her t-shirt says the collective unconscious is a Marxist ideal. She names her feet, draws a Rubik's Cube in my lap and slaps me on the back. Yeah, she's right up on me. She says, "Kid, you look like my cup of tea." Well, pour me. Is it my ignorance? Does she want to take a night course with me? Is it that ignorance steeps in cold blood? Could my ignorance defy her strategy? Well, I came last in my spelling bee. Back at me and says, "Mind the body and does the Cartesian splits." She's all over me, slips off the bottom rung all the prime numbers that come. She reads into everything, gives her critique of Kant's critique. Shell steps up from the sea. Her perfume or her mystique. I lost my tongue deep in her cheek. And she probably doesn't really want to do it. She probably already read through it. She probably doesn't really want to do it. Probably already read through it. She probably doesn't really want to do it. She probably already read through it. She probably doesn't really want to do it.